guys, I'm a little bit behind. This is actually my May bump box of 2021, but I had plenty of time to test out the products, so let's get just jump right into it. So this was my second bump box. As always, it comes with this little insert, nobody cares. Then a list of the items that are in my box, 1 2 3 4 5, with the prices. And so let's just get started. So the first thing I received was the sleep mask, and it says napping for two. I don't usually wear sleep masks, so I'm just probably gonna give it away. And the retail for that one is $11.99. Then I received this picture frame. It's for a sonogram picture frame, and I haven't put my sonogram in yet, but I love it for sight. This is adorable. I love this one. And retail for this one is $12.95. Then I received this Humble deodorant, and retail is $9.99, even though if you go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls, they usually have these on clearance for like $3. So, but this one is an all-natural deodorant. I believe no aluminum foil, aluminum, well, whatever, in it. The scent is geranium and vetiver, and it smells really good. I actually really like this. Oh yeah, it says it right here. No aluminum, alcohol, dyes, parabens, or artificial fragrance. So I like that one. Then I received this bath soak by Glow Organics. Retail is $5.99. With lavender and bergamot and frankincense essential oil. I don't like taking baths, so I might re-gift this to somebody else. And the last item I received was, I put it back in the box to make it look nice, but it's this belly oil, Promise or Pregnancy Skincare Defense and Repair Bump Oil with argan oil, jojoba, tamanu, and probiotic, and it's supposed to prevent stretch marks. So I received bump oil in my last box, which I still have plenty of, but this one I've been actually reaching for more, and this retails for, before I forget, $21. So this is pretty pricey, but this one smells so good. So I've been using this. I got this box a month ago, so it's already halfway done. So this is really great oil. It smells really good. Will it prevent stretch marks? Most likely not. It's nice to keep your skin lubricated, but honestly, stretch marks are more of a genetic trait, so you either get them or you don't, and it doesn't matter what you lather on your body. So, but it's nice to have. This smells really nice. It keeps your skin nicely hydrated. And that was it. That's all I received in my bump box. So my glow box is worth $61.92. Yeah, I think the real star of the box is definitely the oil. The oil I really enjoyed. I would never have purchased that myself for $21, but I'm glad I got this. And then the picture frame, I really like the picture frame, but everything else I could have done without, or would have probably gotten cheaper somewhere else. Let me know what you guys thought about this month's box, or last month's box, May box. Did you get a box? Do you subscribe to BumpBox? If yes, let me know. Shoot me a message. And you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.